Even though Vijay Shekhar Sharma owned Paytm is India's biggest digital payments platform, the feat wasn't enough to please street investors. Shares of 197 Communications, parent firm of Paytm, listed at a 9% discount on the bourses on Thursday, debuting at 1,955 per share. Soon after, the shares crashed 27% against the issue price of 2,150 rupees and hit an intraday low of 1,564 rupees apiece. It must be remembered that the company's 18,300 crore rupee offering, the biggest ever in the domestic capital markets, had managed to sail through only on the last day of the offer. On an overall basis, the issue was subscribed 1.89 times, with the institutional portion getting a subscription of 2.79 times and the retail investor portion of 1.66 times. So are these low levels a good entry point for the new investors, or is there more downside to this fall? A.K. Prabhakar, head of research at IDBI Capital, says that given Paytm's weak financials, investors should track quarterly results over the next 1 to 2 years before taking any position.
Now we need to see at least 1 or 2 year results. Now, there has been a craze for IPOs, and we have seen many loss-making companies list at a very huge premium. But now Paytm being one of the biggest public issue to hit Indian market, the response also was muted. So I think this will have more negative reaction. So I would not venture out and buy it. I would wait for 1 or 2 years to see how things pans out. See, most of the people who go for IPOs, they play for the listing gains. So holding it will not help. So once the listing is very bad, then I don't think we will get an exit at a higher price. It is safer to take some loss and get away from the stock.
Meanwhile, global brokerage Macquarie has initiated coverage on the stock with an underperform rating and a target of 1,200 rupees. Calling the company a cash guzzler, the brokerage says, Paytm's business model lacks focus and direction, and achieving scale with profitability will be a big challenge given the competition from Google and Amazon. Further, regulations and competitions are added worries for the company. That said, the key game changer could be Paytm's ability to monetize UPI. A 10 basis point fee on UPI, the brokerage says, can lift the stock's fair value to 2,900 to 3,300 rupees per share. Apart from Paytm, Sapphire Foods also debuted on the bourses yesterday, delivering decent listing gains. The shares of company that owns and operates Pizza Hut and KFC chain of stores listed at 1,350 rupees per share, a 14% premium over issue price of 1,180. Analysts suggest aggressive investors can hold the stock from a long-term perspective, while short-term traders can keep a stop loss of 1,100 rupees for a target of 1,500 rupees. On Wednesday, markets ended lower for the third straight day amid selling in all but the PSU bank stocks. The BSE Sensex ended 372 points down at 59,636, while the Nifty 50 shut shop at 17,765. Escorts shares, however, stole the show in a weak market after they hit a fresh all-time high of 1,825 on the BSE. The shares surged 12% intraday after the company's Japanese partner Kubota Corporation agreed to acquire an additional 5.9% stake in the company for 1,873 crore rupees, taking the total holding to nearly 15%. Equity markets are shut today on account of Guru Nanak Jayanti holiday.
If you like this video, share it and subscribe to Business Standard. For more news, views and insights, log on to www.business-standard.com. Do also follow us on YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram and LinkedIn.